Are you ready to transform your yard into a landscaping masterpiece? In this ultimate guide, we shall show you how to design the perfect garden that will leave everyone amazed. First, let's start with the basics. Assess the size and shape of your yard and consider the different areas you want to include. Next, think about the style you want to achieve, whether it's a modern and sleek look, a cozy cottage garden, or a tropical paradise. The options are endless. Now let's talk about plants. Choose a variety of flowers, shrubs, and trees that will thrive in your climate. Plan the layout carefully, considering the height and colors of the plants as well as their bloom times. Proper irrigation is essential for a healthy garden. Install a watering system to ensure your plants receive the right amount of water. Additionally, consider adding mulch to remain moisture and prevent weed growth. Don't forget about the hardscape elements. Pathways, patios, and decks can add functionality and aesthetic appeal to your garden. Use materials that complement your overall design, such as natural stone or wood. Lighting is another crucial aspect. Illuminate your garden with strategically placed outdoor lights to create a magical atmosphere during the evening. Now let's talk about maintenance. Regular watering, pruning, and fertilizing will keep your garden looking its best throughout the year. Remember to consider the wildlife. Plant flowers that attract butterflies, bees, and birds, enhancing the beauty and biodiversity of your space. And don't forget to provide shelter for small animals with bird houses or small ponds. With careful planning and dedication, your yard can be transformed into a stunning landscaping masterpiece. So get started on your garden journey and enjoy the beauty of nature right in your own backyard. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!